So the project is all about tie failure detection technique for solar photovoltaic system. In this project we are working on with the 4x4 PV array. Same as the 4x PV array was connected here, and this pyrometer is showing the irradiation value, and then the ammeter can shows the output current value, and I am connecting an switching matrix here. So in this project, when you are creating a fault on any of the line, that means if any fault happens on any of the line, the corresponding thing will be sensed by the Arduino controller here, and according to that the switching matrix will make a change on the switching condition, and the type of failure will be displayed in the LCD fault. So in accordance to that, now I am going to create a fault on line 3. So can you please create a fault on line 3? So when the fault is created on line 3, this indication has to be sensed by the switching matrix, and it has to be displayed in the LCD monitor. So if you see this LCD monitor, here we are getting the output as line 3 interconnection fault. So like that, if I am creating a fault on another, I am going to create fault on another line. So now I am going to create a fault on another line, so that I am reconnecting the line 3 failure now. So can you reconnect the line 3 please? So now I am going to create a fault on another line. Can you create a fault on line 2 here in the center point? So line 2 is now the fault has been created on line 2. Let's check whether the controller is checking the output or not. So if you see the switching matrix circuit, you can see that the line 2 fault has been sensed by the controller, and it was displayed in the LCD. So not only for one line condition, so like that any failure can be detected under any line. So as of now we had seen for a separate line fault. So first of all we created it for line 3, and then we had connected it for we had created failure on line 2. So now I am going to create fault on 2 different lines. Line 2, it was already disconnected in the previous stage itself. So now I am going to again disconnect a line in line 4. So can you please disconnect line 4? So now the failure has been happened on 2 lines, line 2 as well as the line 4. Let's see whether my controller is tracking the output or not. So if you see the LCD display, you can see that both line 2 and line 4 interconnection fault has been sensed by the controller, and it was showed in the LCD display.